Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Funky's Garage. So today I am going to be showing my girlfriend how to do an oil change. This will be her first time ever doing like a type of oil change or doing any type of like work on a car. So it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be interesting seeing how she learns how to do this, and at least even if she doesn't get it completely, just knowing the basics in and outs and how to do an oil change. And hopefully whenever she has her own car, she can do her own oil changes without having to take it to Jiffy Lube or whatever those places are now. So let's just get started. So for the oil change, we're going to need 7 quarts of 5W20 engine oil, an oil filter, and some wheel chucks, and a pair of rims.
You're supposed to like drive up on it, basically. You know what I'm saying? Probably.
So my girlfriend forgot to record the part where, I'm driving the car up the ramp, but it's okay. I forgive her. But here it is, up on the ramps, ready for an oil change.
And you record my fails? Is that what you want?
Yes.
Like in the middle hole, right?
Yeah.
I'm scared.
That's all one little part, so it's fine. That's fine. Keep going.
Oh.
That's fine. Let it simmer. There you go. Air bubble. And that's fine.
That's
okay.
it? Okay. Stop.
You see that filter right there with the 2 numbers?
This.
You gonna grasp it? Might be a little bit hard because it's like slippery.
Okay. Firmly grasp it. And then...
Twist left.
Yeah? Like just take it off?
Yeah, you're gonna take it off. It's gonna pour oil, okay? So be careful.
I'm scared.
Just do it.
I'm scared. I'm scared.
Keep going. Faster. Go.
I can't. I was dripping down.
Go. There you go. Let it pour. Toss it in there.
In this?
Yeah, you see that little stem right there?
You bitch. There's some oil over here.
Go ahead.
There's no light.
Oh shit.
Oh god, my nose.
Right tighty.
I know, I'm trying to get it on the hole though.
Yeah.
I'm making someone injured do this with my left hand, bro.
You go. Twist it until it's like tight enough. Well, not too tight,
I think. Is that?
Let's that one a little more.
Because these are not too tight.
Yeah. And we're done.
Yay. Okay.
Okay, there you go. Not too bad. Twist it in. Right tighty.
Am I not doing that?
No.
I'm going this way. What if I spill it all over your car? Come on. I'm scared.
Slowly. Good.
You just hear us sniffling.
Nice and tight. One thing I forgot to mention is that to reset the light, click on this one twice. Make sure it's in run mode. And you hit the accelerator within 10 seconds. Stop clicking. So 1, 2, 3. That's it. And that's all. That's how you reset the light. Now we can turn it on. It's gonna show the banging and the clicking. Let's see, okay. The TPM S still on. And yep, we're all good. That's still flashing, but I'll get to that eventually. Next oil change probably at 105, 110, 111, maybe 1,000 miles. We're gonna do the next oil change. Overall, I give my girlfriend a solid B+ on her very first oil change. She said it wasn't too bad for her. It was just more time consuming and more dirty for her. But she said it was pretty easy, so she liked the experience, and she might not remember for next time, but at least she knows something. Hopefully something transfers over for next time we do an oil change. But yeah, she enjoyed it. Solid B+.